GetReskilled told me about Springboard, which I didn't know it exists, and I jumped in the wagon and I went for it. And the biopharma was free because I wasn't working at the time, and with the e-validation I paid the 10% because I was working at the time, and it's far easier on your pocket.
First I got into the first course through Springboard Plus, and I was looking through tons of courses, like there are other companies that do the same thing, but what was the best thing with GetReskilled? It was a level 7 course.
Springboard course funding has really helped me a lot, and it has encouraged me even to do this, because then there was not even an excuse for me not to do it, for I only paid 10% of the fees that was required, which was really a small token to pay for what I have gained.